Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in the essentials, verify raffle legality and secure any permits. Once done, pick your sales channel, online, physical, or hybrid, so you know how you'll collect entries. Make sure to define the prize, ticket price, fundraising goal, and how much of proceeds go to the charity. You're starting the process now, so create a simple tracking sheet and an official rules document. This prevents confusion and keeps donors confident in where their money goes. You now scale ticket sales. Build a concise listing with prize photos, deadline, and entry instructions. Once live, promote via email, social, and partner channels. Stagger posts and monitor which source drives the most tickets so you can double down. Make sure payment is secure using Stripe or PayPal, and that each transaction triggers a receipt and entry confirmation. Also, reconcile payments daily and maintain a live entry list. This detailed execution keeps trust high, and you complete the campaign by running a transparent draw, live-streamed or recorded, and documenting the process. Once the winner is selected, notify them immediately, confirm identity, and arrange prize delivery. If a prize value triggers tax reporting, prepare Form 1099 as required. Make sure donors receive a concise impact report showing funds distributed and outcomes. If issues arise, begin troubleshooting by checking payment logs, entry lists, and platform timestamps. Escalate disputes with clear
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.